Hello, everyone. I'm Bob Ward from Microsoft. Can you believe in a couple of months, we're going to have another PaaS Data Community Summit? And myself and other experts from Microsoft are going to be there in force. I want to take the time to tell you today, as you're thinking about signing up for the summit, or perhaps thinking about maybe a training session you'd like to go to tell you about a unique opportunity for a pre-con, a training workshop that I'm leading, and it's all about the cloud. This unique pre-con experience is called the Cloud Workshop for the SQL DBA. It's a full-day immersion led by myself and other Microsoft experts for people that know SQL Server, but they're trying to figure out, what is my role in the cloud now? Like, how do I actually migrate? How do I optimize? How do I do things that I do every day in a cloud experience? Let me give you more details on what this pre-con is going to have for you if you come to the session. So first of all, you're going to be able to translate your SQL Server skills to Azure SQL. And we're going to do some fundamentals. We're going to teach you the fundamentals of Azure, the fundamentals of Azure SQL, but we're prepared to go deep. And in fact, what we're going to be able to do is show you how to really run SQL Server in virtual machines, in managed instances, and Azure SQL database. Now, here's the thing. This is going to be an interactive all-day experience. But I know, and I've seen, that people learn best when they get to do something hands-on. We're going to have that. We're going to actually have hands-on labs across these three different types of deployment examples. And guess what? There is no Azure subscription required. We'll provide that for you. You just got to bring your laptop. We'll have internet connectivity and power. It'll be an amazing day of interaction to learn Azure SQL all up. Now, I'll have Microsoft experts with me, myself and other people from the engineering team that know the cloud, to answer your questions, help you with the labs. But what I experienced with other workshops I've taught is you're going to learn from each other. You're going to talk to other people in the industry that are experiencing the same thing you're going through. Maybe you're already in the cloud or thinking about the cloud, and you get to share your experiences together to see what it's going to be like in this new world. And as a final benefit, even though this workshop will not guarantee you will pass an examination, there is a Microsoft certification for the cloud for administrators. And my experience, based on the content I provided in the past, I think this could be an excellent tool to help you prepare to pass this examination. So I'm excited to teach this workshop. It's an all-day experience. I hope you are as well. I hope you'll sign up and register with us. Go to PaaSDataCommunitySummit.com to register today. And guess what? I've got a promo code for you. Use Azure 150 when you register to receive a discount today as you sign up for this conference. The PaaS Data Community Summit is an all-encompassing event with Microsoft experts and community experts as well, together transferring our knowledge about Azure data all up. I'll be there in force with other Microsoft experts to teach you everything you know about SQL, including this great opportunity for a pre-conference seminar. I hope to see you there.